about different types of flowers. Flowers are colorful and pretty parts of plants that attract insects and birds. They help plants make new seeds and fruits while making our surroundings look beautiful. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and forms. Let's learn the names of some of these flowers. Rose, sunflower, tulip, lily, daisy, orchid, carnation, peony, daffodil, iris, chrysanthemum, hydrangeas, lavender, pansy, marigold, snapdragon, poppy, hibiscus, cosmos, water lily, Aster, Dahlia, forget-me-not, Viola, and sweet pea. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. God bless.